Hi everyone. If you are wondering what is the best way to hold the flute, yes, this is the right video for you. Hello everyone. My name is Aditya. You're watching Aditya Flutes and I'm a flute teacher and I'm loving what I am doing. Exchanging this knowledge and getting a lot many feedbacks really motivate me and inspire my life every day. So thank you all for your support and love. And today we are going to discuss the importance of holding flute. Guys, first and the foremost thing is why we have to know the importance of holding flute. I'll tell you, when we are playing music, there are many criterias involved. How is our fingering position, and how is our blowing direction, and how is our posture, and how is our breathing capacity. Many things involved in this. Likewise, how are we holding the flute? That also plays a very major role that we need to focus on. So in future, if we might get any problems regarding our playing, we can just recheck ourselves, like where am I going wrong? Is it because of my blowing, or is it because of my finger placements, or is it because of my posture setting, or what? So if you can, trace all your areas of flute playing, like how you are and how are you tracking your progress every day, in a course of time it will be so easy for you to play flute without any kind of effort. If you are not self introspecting, and if you are not regularly rectifying your mistakes and going ahead, you will feel demotivated, and I am very sure you will also give up. So first and the foremost thing is this. And second thing is, there are two types of, people: left hand people and right hand people. Left hand people and right hand people. I mean, our style is mostly right side. Means there are some people who play towards this side. I'm not teaching for left hand people, I'm just making it clear. And they can also watch this video, it's not a problem. Anyone can watch this video, it's not a problem. But here we are mostly focusing on right side. Guys, first you have to know which direction are you comfortable at. When I first started playing flute, I felt I am very comfortable in playing in the right direction. Means it depends upon you. If your personality is so much inclined towards left handed type, you have to choose left playing flute. Means there are also flutes especially that are designed for left hand players. So here we are especially focusing on right hand side. So guys, this is the way we need to hold the flute. This is the third thing that we are talking, the position. There are some people who keep like this, and there are some people who place like this. I don't know how many people are comfortable in which position. You ask me, I like this position. Why I don't keep this position? Because when I want to move my fingers, it is difficult for me when I am opening like this. When I'm keeping like this, it is easy for me. Means there is no effort involved here. You get the point? When you keep your hand like this, it will take little stress. It's little stressful to move our fingers in this direction. But if it is like this, this is quite comfortable. I suggest you to keep your flute in this direction, and you hold like this. Guys, one more thing. Our these thumbs, they act as the base foundation. The base foundation for a home, how it is. Our thumb fingers are like that. We have to use it in a way that it becomes our base foundation. See, you have to hold it tightly from down and also from up, on the both sides. Okay, and then you have to basically hold the flute with the both hands, and you have to keep in this direction. the fourth thing that we are talking is why our hands pain when we are practicing flute. Like I get many complaints from my students regarding when they are practicing, their hands are paining and their fingers are paining. It's just because your body is not habituated to it. Once your body is so habituated and comfortable, comfortable to it, it will automatically get habituated to it. So that my suggestion is do exercises. Do exercises. I mean, if you are a lazy guy, if you are a lazy person, obviously you will feel tired after playing so much. I'm saying keep your body active every day, so that you don't get tired so easily. And guys, with your hands you have to use very less phone. I mean, yes, for few important things, it is important. It is necessary for us to use phone. But every time, if you keep the phone on your hand, they will receive some, some negative vibrations. I mean, holding electronic gadgets for a long time will not really encourage you to play flute. So, guys, use very less phone. And other thing is, when you are placing your fingers, when you are placing your thumb, everything, don't pressure so much. Don't pressure so much. Our what is our main goal? To bring the sound, right? To bring the sound, focus on the sound. Don't pressure so much on your fingers, on your hands, because they become so stressful and you can't so much move with stress. So be free. Be free, completely free. And while you're practicing, don't keep anything in your mind, just focus on the practice and everything will be fine. Okay. Yeah. And one more thing, guys, last but least, if you want to hold flute in a good way, you initially you don't rush into practicing. You don't rush. I mean, become calm and become composed and be open to receive new knowledge and see the difference. First, you just hold like this. You don't play the flute. Hold like this for some time. Just hold like this for some time. Let you get habituated to it. I mean, hold it as much long as you can. You don't have to really play. You can just hold it. You can just hold it so that your body gets habituated to it. Okay. So guys, this is what we have discussed. And last but least, watching these YouTube tutorials and taking advices from different masters and different methods is all good. At the same time, how much are you practicing? How much are you implementing? How much are you executing your motivation into actions? That alone brings results and nothing else. Okay, so focus on the results, not on how much you get motivated. Okay. Okay, guys, and last but least, sorry if I'm taking so much of your time. I am taking online flute classes for especially for beginners and also for intermediate players and advanced players also. If you guys, anyone, if anyone are interested or any of your friends are interested to learn flute, they can just contact me. I'll be leaving my contact details on the description link below, and I will also say my number. You can contact me for any kind of online one-to-one interactive classes. So my number is 9010086604 and +91 is the Indian code. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye. Happy New Year.